Hello Miss and friends, here I and my team will discuss a title that we bring, namely a comparison of financial data constraints, manual versus electronic. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Grace Luigi as the group leader. Here is the discussion. Background: efficient financial data management is essential for any organization to support accurate decision making and reporting. So far, many organizations have relied on manual methods that use physical recording and manual calculation. However, this method often face problems such as the risk of error and limitation in managing large volumes of data. With the advancement of technology, many organizations are turning to electronic systems that offer high automation, accuracy, and efficiency. However, electronic systems also present challenges such as data security issues and implementation costs. This paper will compare the elimination of manual of electronic financial data management, focusing on aspects of accuracy, efficiency, scalability, and data security.
Hello Mom, my name is Gladys Anuna. Here I will presentation group 2 about comparison of financial data constraints, manual versus electronic. What are the main constraints in manual and electronic financial data processing? Both manual and electronic financial data processing come with their own distinct challenges. Manual financial data processing tends to be slower, which results in delays in financial reporting and decision making. The accuracy of manual processing is highly dependent on human input, making it prone to errors, data entry, calculation, and reconciliation, which can lead to significant financial. On the other hand, electronic financial data processing offers more speed and efficiency, but it introduces its own set of challenges. The system can be complex to set up, maintain, and operate, requiring specialist skills. Integrating electronic financial system with other business systems can also be complex and time-consuming. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of electronic data demands through field validation and error check-in, produce, and the migration from manual to electronic system requires careful planning. In conclusion, while electronic financial processing offers significant advantages over manual methods, but systems have their respective challenges. The best solution often depends on the specific needs and size of the organization. Thank you.
Problem statement number 2. How do manual methods compare to electronic methods in managing financial data? Financial data management, both manually and electronically, has different characteristics and affects the efficiency and accuracy of the accounting process. The manual method, which generally involves recording financial transactions in written ledgers and journal, as well as manual calculation using calculators or simple calculators, is prone to human errors such as typo, miscalculation, or data loss due damage or lost physical documents. The information retrieval process is also time-consuming and less efficient to limit access and limit search system. Data modification also requires significant time and effort, making the data update process less flexible.
Good afternoon, my name is Emmanuel Mulele. I'm from Group 3. I will read Chapter 3. Incorporating the constraint of financial data between manual and electronic method, there are several risks and challenges associated with data security and integrity. Here is an overview of both. Number 1, manual method. The manual method involves recording and managing financial data physical. Answer is using paper, ledger, or printer document, or to provide the control over the data. There are several challenges and risks. Risks and challenges. Physical security. Number 1, physical security. Physical data in easily lost or damaged due to fire, fall, or other natural disaster. In addition, only one person or a small group can escape the data, which increases the risk of data leakage in improper monitoring. Number 2, human error. Increase of error in data entry and calculator due to the lack of animation system. Musical of intrudes, recording and escape data interference. Number 3, maintenance and storage. The process of storing physical document requires need space and organization. Data that is not well organized is a risk of being lost or damaged. Number 4, limit escape. Data stored in physical format can only be escaped by people who are in the physical location of work have permission to escape it. This limit average and can slow down decision making. Number 2, electronic method. Electronic method refer to the management of financial data using the digital software and system. Data is stored in data form of digital file that can be escaped and processed more efficiently. Risk and challenge. Number 1, cyber security. Electronic data is vulnerable to external attacks such as hacking, malware, or ransomware. If the security system is not problem, strengthened financial data can be escaped or stolen by predative. Number 2, data damage or loss. Electronic system can experience hardware failures, system failures, of software error that result in data loss. Now this can be overcome with backup. There is still a risk of losing important data. Number 3, data intelligence. There is a risk of unauthorized data challenge is there is proper supervisor of user escape, which has proper control. Data can be changed or manipulation for personal purposes. Number 4, the scare of technology. Managing financial data that is complainant depend on software or computer system, make it vulnerable to technological viruses. If the system in down or update are not done properly, data escape can be happen or even interrupted. 5, regulation complaint. Managing financial data electronica requires special attention to data protection policies and regulations such as the in Europa or the personal data. Progress Act in Common Control. Failure to meet security standard can be reached. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Marcelina Naben. I will explain the comparison electronic and manual system in financial data management. In comparing manual and electronic system for managing financial data, there are notable differences in various aspects such as efficiency, accuracy, security, and cost. In a manual system, financial data is entered manually by financial personnel. Processed using spreadsheets or ledger and stored in paper document or computer files. Access to this data is limited to authorities, personnel, and the security of the depends on the physical security of the documents or computer files. On the other hand, an electronic system automates data entry, processing, and storage, which allow for more widespread and flexible access to the financial data. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tindika Ripui. I will present my material, namely, which method is more effective in the context of use in various types of organization. There is no single method that can be considered universally that most effective for all types of organization. The effectiveness of a method highly depends on the organization, structure, objective, culture, and environment. For example, large corporations usually prefer structure and standardized methods such as Six Sigma or Lean management, which help maintain consistency and control. In contrast, startups and fast-growing business often benefit more from flexible, adaptive methods like Agile or Scrum, which support innovation and rapid iteration. Government institutions and non-profit organizations may rely on policy-oriented approaches such as the logical framework approach or the balanced scorecard, which aligns with public service goals. Moreover, the choice of methods must also reflect the organization's specific context. Factors such as whether the organization is hierarchical or flat, the availability of financial and human resource, and whether the focus is on profit, service, or technology will all influence what method is the most priority. For example, a technology company may prioritize methods that foster experimentation, while financial institutions may choose risk-averse structured approaches. External and technological factors also play a key role. Economic uncertainty, regulatory requirements, and industry competition can all influence method selection. Additionally, organizations that adopt digital technologies such as automation, big data, and cloud computing tend to prefer methods that support data-driven dedication making and online collaboration. In conclusion, the most effective method is not one size fits all. It must be tailored to fit the organization's unique characteristic and operating environment. Therefore, selecting the right method requires a deep understanding of both internal and external factors to ensure the best possible outcomes.
Conclusion. The conclusion of the paper, comparison of financial data constraints manual versus electronic, shows that manual systems have limitation in terms of accuracy, efficiency, and data security. This method is prone to human error, slow in data processing, and has the risk of losing or damaging physical documents. Meanwhile, electronic systems offer better speed and efficiency. With automation in data processing, human error can be minimized and financial reports can be generated faster. Data security is also better maintained with encryption and authentication features. Here's all the discussion. Thank you for watching.